A welcome benefit of IBM's support for mobile workload pricing, which is available to anyone regardless of participation in the mobile workload pricing program, is a new capability to track CPU consumption for any transaction in the RMF Type 72 records, which are far less voluminous and thus far more practical to process than the millions of transaction-level records. This tracking in the RMF 72 records takes place at the service class or report class level. Here we see CPU per transaction for selected service classes. Many of the widely used transaction-level metrics are available in the RMF 72 records, including transaction rate and response time, average number of concurrent transactions, CPU and I/O per transaction, and total CPU and I/O activity. Here we see transactions executed per second for selected service classes. Sites can begin taking advantage of this capability by mapping transactions of interest into a set of report classes using the wide range of classification methods available through the WLM policy. This mapping of transactions into report classes can be as granular as needed to meet the requirements at any site. Here we see transaction response times for several service classes, and we can drill down into one particular service class for more detail. Here we see I/O per transaction for selected service classes. Support for populating some of these transaction metrics, including CPU per tran and I/O per tran, requires ZOS 2.1 with OA 47042 and CICS 5.3 or IMS 14 with PI 46933 and PI 51948.